Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to close or delete your Binance account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Now, hover your mouse to your profile icon and go to Settings option. After that, scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see a Delete Account option. After that, click on Delete button. Now, you will need to select a reason for your account deletion. If you choose other, you need to enter the description of the reason and click on Continue button. After that, click on Continue. Now, you need to click on Agree button and click on Delete Account button here. Here, you need to complete the following verifications. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you need to enter the 6-digit authentication code in this field. Open the authentication application and type in the code here. After that, click on phone number and you will get a verification code on your device. If you didn't got a code, click on Get Code link and the code will be resent to your device. After that, type in those 6-digit code here. And then your account will be deleted. So that is how you can close or delete your Binance account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.